All right, so you found the quick review, and this is Heron's area formula. So when do you want to use Heron's area formula? All right, so the standard formula for area of a triangle is area of a triangle equals 1/2 base times height. Now, that formula works great. The issue is you have to have a height. For example, a height would be right here if you were talking about that side. We don't know it. All right, the height is the same as the altitude. It could be in here, right? Would be the height. But again, we don't know it, and there are 3 possible heights because of the 3 different sides. We don't know the height, so we can't use that formula. So what are we going to do? We're going to use Heron's area formula. Do you remember it? All right, so area of a triangle equals the square root of S times the quantity S minus A, that's side A, times the quantity S minus B, side B, times the quantity S minus side C. All right, so you have to remember what is S. And I hope you're thinking the semi-perimeter. All right, so it's the perimeter divided by 2. So add up the lengths of the sides and divide by 2. All right, so let's do that. The value of A is 30, the value of B is 50, and the value of C is 32, all divided by 2. So what is that? 112 divided by 2, or 56. Okay, so I've got my semi-perimeter. It's 56. I'm now ready to run my formula. So our area of a triangle is, don't forget, it's the square root. I have students forget about the square root symbol. So 56 times 56 minus 30, that's a 26. 56 minus 50, that's a 6. And 56 minus 32, and that's a 24. Okay, so the rest is just punch it in your calculator. Make sure you're taking the square root, and make sure you're thinking square units. So let me just punch this out. 56 times 26 times 6 times 24. Let's take the square root. All right, and I get 457.9. So the approximate area of this triangle, because it's a round off, 457.9 square units. Heron's area formula. Now, you can leave it as a radical and leave it as an exact answer if that's what your teacher prefers. But decimals are fine. Punch it out in a calculator. Heron's area formula. The key is understanding S is the semi-perimeter.